Hey Glam Fam, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. The look. Let's jump into it because it looks great. I feel great. And it's great. We got some yellows, some greens, and some pinks with a bold lip. I know. It's like super out there. But I think it came out really nice. What y'all think? If you guys want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and support the channel. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and jump into this look, starting out with the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. The first color that we're going to use in this transitional build is that forest green. And basically what you want to do is contour or follow the shape of your eye with that dark green. Okay, so this is going to be more like towards the bottom half. You don't want to go too high because we're going to add another color there. So like I said, go ahead and just follow the shape of your eye. The next color that we're going to use in this eyeshadow build is that lemon yellow, and you're basically just blending the yellow into the green. So it's going to be a vertical gradient, green going into the yellow. That does it for the first step of this eyeshadow base. So now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease with the Pro Conceal White Concealer by Pro Conceal. Repetitive, yeah. Anyway, basically go ahead and block out that shape. Go ahead and put some product on your lid. You're going to look up and then you're just going to follow that crease. Once you've blocked out the space for your crease, we're going to go ahead and start the second layer of our eyeshadow build, starting with that lemon yellow again. This time we're going to go from the middle out. So go ahead and just, really what I'm doing here is tracing the line that I created with the concealer. That way nothing mixes. So I'm using a smaller, finer brush to just make sure that, you know, I get all the color where I need it to go first. So after we got our yellow in place, we're switching to the Festival palette by Juvia's Place, and we're gonna go for that highlighter pink in the middle. And this time we're gonna add this color to the inner corners of our eyes. So it's gonna be like a 3-layer gradient going from left to right. And then we also have a vertical gradient as well. We've already finished the vertical gradient, so now we're gonna do the horizontal one. So go ahead and add that pink to the inner corners of your eyes. So now we're going to add the last color, and we're going back to the Afrique palette, and we're going back to that forest green. And basically what we're doing here is we're trying to get the yellow to blend into the green, because we really don't need a whole cut crease for this. It's more of like a half cut crease that just blends into that background color. So now I'm just doing the finishing touches on this eyeshadow base. I'm pretty satisfied with how this looks. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner, my lashes, and finish my face, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Boom, we're back. Check that out. Doesn't that look freaking amazing? I know, right? And it matches my shade and everything. I did that on purpose. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and finish our look. We're going back to the Festivals palette, back into that green, and this time we're gonna add it underneath our bottom lashes. Now it's time for our highlight. So you're gonna use our Kiss Professionals highlighter palette. We're gonna add a little bit of that highlight to our brow bone, and then we're gonna add a little bit to our nose. Now I know normally I use that for my inner tear duct, but this time we're gonna use a different color. We're gonna use the Zulu palette, and we're gonna go for that shimmer turquoise. And this turquoise is going to be our inner tear duct color because it's, you know, spring, so we have to incorporate all of our colors. So now we're gonna prep our bottom lashes. This time I'm using the Mega Wear by Wet n Wild, and you know, just brush your bottom lashes, really. Okay, so I'm trying something new in this video. I'm using a new color by ColourPop. It's basically the same color as that pink that we have in our eyes. Now, if you guys know me, I don't think pink is my color, but I was really trying to incorporate all of the colors and bring everything around. So I used this pink, and then I went over top of that with a clear lip gloss. Don't really like it, but whatever, we've already done it. So this is a finished look. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's cute, but I just don't think pink is my color. But if you love pink, go ahead and rock it. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Really more like than subscribe. No, just do everything. Like, share, and subscribe. Support the channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.